This is my week on the Upper East Side, solo edition. Living, working, seeing old friends, making new ones too. I hope you enjoy this vlog and make sure you subscribe. Mwah. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to the vlog. I'm currently sat here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and we are going through a week in my life in New York City. This is week 2 out of the 4 that I'll be vlogging. I spent this morning in a coffee meeting with Edem, and she actually gave me, you guys, Edem's one of my favorite brands. She gave me a bunch of goodies. I'm really glad because my skincare collection here is very minimal. So I'm able to supplement with a bunch of these and then give some to girlfriends that I'm meeting up with for dinner tonight. Now I'm waiting for 2 friends, Joe and Curtis, actually from Vancouver. One just from Williamsburg, which I've heard is an extension of the city, but I've explored other neighborhoods so far too. And so far I like what I see, okay? Say hi, Joe. He's a tennis pro. You sound like a tennis pro. The way his second day in New York. The way we are all from the same city and we're meeting up to hang here. That's friendship. Morning. I'm in the biggest rush of life, so let's just do our makeup together and then we'll chat. Actually, can you guys hear me? Maybe let's just chat right now. So today is Thursday and it has been go, go, go this whole week since Monday. I feel like every day we have 3 sets of plans. Yesterday I had 4 sets of plans. Obviously you saw I went to my breakfast meeting with Edem and that was so lovely. I went over to Williamsburg, which I've definitely been to before. I think I told you guys yesterday. I've stayed in Williamsburg before at the Moxie's when I did my first ever, I think it was my second ever YouTube vlog, the CultureCon vlog. You guys should definitely go back and watch that because my love for YouTube really started then. I'm serious. So I'm not unfamiliar with the area, but I definitely saw it through a new lens yesterday, just commuting in and then doing my plans and then commuting out. Grabbed a quick coffee with my Vancouver friends, Joe and Curtis. I feel like you guys have seen them in the vlog before. We're just chatting about what we have going on here, stuff like that. And then I made my way over to Chelsea for an event with Jamie Haller. It was a press preview for their fall collection. They make the most beautiful leather shoes. They have bags. They have really beautiful shirting as well. I fell in love with that green jacket that I tried on. I went with one of my friends, Chatty, and I'd actually never met her before. It's funny because in events, you don't really get the opportunity to like really get to know each other. You're there with the brand, you're, trying to mingle with many people. But afterwards, we went downstairs to the restaurant, her and her friend Shay, and I feel like I really got to know them. I feel like we had some really great chats. And now those are some friends that I would hang out with in New York for sure. I think me and Chatty are going to hang out again. So that's amazing. And then, you guys, I went to the Meatpacking District. I went to a restaurant called Pastis. I think that's how you say it. And I hung out with some girlfriends. I think I told you guys this. I don't know if I actually told you this story, but how it came about. My first night here, I went to a restaurant in my neighborhood, just like unassuming random restaurant. And the girl sitting at the next table, one of them was like, I've seen your videos before and I really like them. It was like, oh my gosh, thank you. And then I look at the other girl at the table and she's like, you look so familiar. And I was like, you look so familiar too. Turns out we actually follow each other on TikTok. So we were like, let's all hang out because the energy that they gave off was just really genuine and great. We were like, let's hang out. Yes, for sure, we'll make it happen. And then, you guys, one of my girlfriends that I've actually known since 2020 via the internet. We've only hung out, I think, once or twice. We went on a double date a year ago in New York. Me and her were DMing because we're trying to go to the Summer House reunion special at an AMC theater here. She's like, my girlfriend's gonna come too. I said, great. And then she's like, wait, my friend just told me that you guys met at a restaurant. I unintentionally met one of my friends at a restaurant. So all four of us had met and we made plans to go for dinner, the four of us. And I felt so uplifted being there. I really felt like if I lived in the city, that would be my group of girlfriends. They were so sweet. They were so driven. They all work in their different fields. It honestly just felt like I lived there and I was meeting up with girlfriends for dinner after a work day. Like it all clicked for me there. And I had a time. We ordered so much food. It's also really funny because our names are Imani, Iman, and then Hayat. Like 3 out of 4 of us have the most similar names. It's hilarious. So yeah, we're definitely gonna hang out again. We're all gonna watch Summer House together, I think next week. And those are just some really genuine girls that I really, really, truly think that one day, if I live here, they would be my circle. You know what I mean? If they all have a really good head on their shoulders. I just had a great time. I had to turn the lights on because it was getting really dark in here. But I also had a moment last night where I just like, it was really clocking to me, you know, where I was thinking, it's beautiful that 4 Black young women are able to get together like this, share a beautiful evening and a meal in this beautiful restaurant. That is something that I struggle with in Vancouver because we kind of have a lack of diversity. We definitely have a diversity problem. And it's just really frustrating, and it's something that I struggle with, where it's like in New York, you can meet so many women who look like you, and obviously we all have different experiences in life, but can relate to you on so many different levels. In Vancouver, that's something that I just don't really get because the options are so, it's like none. It really feels like the options are 0. So that was just a really freeing, amazing feeling yesterday. Something that I want to feel more of, just that sisterhood that I just don't get all the time in Vancouver. Let me know if any of you guys can relate to that. You guys, today, the plans are going to be really fun. I'm meeting up with my girlfriend, Hallie. I know you guys know her. I know you know Hallie Jama. She is such a queen on TikTok. I think she's on YouTube too. She is on YouTube. She's like one of my little sisters. I'm always rooting for her. So we're gonna go get some lunch and a matcha and just be able to connect in person. We actually met at Fashion Week randomly. We were at a Pandora event together, but this is gonna be nice because it's just gonna be some one-on-one girl time. We're gonna kiki. Then I have to edit YouTube, and then I'm going to an agency party event tonight with Joe again. And I'm hoping to be home by 8 when it gets laid out. I do not subway after things get dark, and I don't know if that's like a right perspective or a wrong perspective, but just for me, you know, I'm still finding my way around here, and so I like to be home by the time the sun is down. As always, I'm really running out of time, so I'm just going to focus on this. Where's everything from?
Oh, dynamite.
Canadian.
I thrifted this in Spain, actually.
Love.
Oh, Nakamal. You should go. Insane jewelry.
In New York?
Yeah, it's like a Thai,
Okay.
Thailand, or Thai.
Gorge.
Suzanne.
The skirt, I'm literally gonna go buy it today. Suzanne too.
Suzanne as well.
Gorge. They have the best accessories. Cutie! Little brunch vibe and a matcha, of course. These jeans are my Reformation carries that I wear all the time. We're actually in front of Reformation, which is crazy. Back over here. Back over here. Thank you. Shirt is Helsa. Blazer is Givenchy vintage. It's from like the 1950s and it was reworked to my measurements, which is super cool. Bag is Lambert. And then my loafers are GH Bass. Yes.
Tea.
Sunglasses are Chimi. And that's a look.
So cute.
We're at an agency party. This agency is called Agency Guacamole. So we're just here saying hi, meeting the team, taking in this view, and then we're gonna go for a chill dinner. Probably like a corporate AI healthy bowl. You know what I mean? A slop bowl. Do you have anything you want to update them on? How's your time in New York been?
It's been lovely. It's been lovely. I'm just taking it day by day. You want?
I'm okay.
Truffle cream cheese.
Yum. Really good? Okay. Morning and happy Friday. It is almost the weekend, my friends. I have to say, last night, well, it's officially 2 weeks of being here now, and last night was the first night of my whole stay so far where I slept through the night. I haven't had one big consecutive deep sleep here, and sleep is so important to me. I literally try and get 9 hours of sleep a night. It takes me a long time to get used to a new place. The thing about New York is that there is loud noise at all hours of the night. For example, I'm supposed to put my trash and recycling out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday after 8 p.m. The garbage man is coming at 3. And he's lit. He's playing music. He's yelling. The truck itself is so loud. And obviously I wake up and I'm like, who's outside? Oh, wait. It's my garbage being taken out. No complaints. I knew what I was signing up for, but damn, it really is a city that never sleeps. So little sounds like that. I have a feeling when I go back to Vancouver, I'm going to be a little weirded out at how quiet it is at night. But I got a good sleep last night. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling really refreshed, energized, woke up at 7 a.m. and now it's Friday. I have some work to do. I just have a deadline today. So I'm just going to like really focus in on that. And then I have a massage. I have a massage at 11 a.m., which is such a amazing treat before the weekend. It's at a really beautiful spa. I haven't been yet, but I've seen photos, and I'll take you guys along, of course. And then I have lunch with a friend. And then I have another hangout at 4 with another friend. Did I jam pack my calendar? Yeah. Could I have put more room in my calendar to just be a little bit by myself so that I can think clearly and like create and do more intentional things? Yeah. But also, are we in a completely new city? Yes. And so I should be maximizing all of it. Okay, let's get into this work and then I'll be right back. Got everything I needed to get done. I also shot a partnership and I'm ready to go. This is my outfit of the day. I honestly just want to be comfortable today. I feel like I've been out of the house. Comfort is key, okay? And I've told you guys this before, but I really am starting my mission to add more color and more joy to my wardrobe. I have a lot of plans to thrift while I'm here, so things will be changing, okay? This is my Lululemon sport jacket that I wear all the time. I'll link this down below because I feel like when I post it on stories, I always get questions asking where it's from. So this is the jacket. These jeans are from Kai. I've been very weather confused in New York. When it says it's hot, it's actually cold. And when it says it's gonna be cold, it's actually really hot. So the solution is to just wear a little t-shirt under my jacket and put a sweater around my hips. If I get cold, I can put the sweater on. You know what Girl really thought she reinvented layering right now. That's so funny. Bag is Lambert. I've been wearing it all the time. My shoes are Solomon's because again, I really want to be comfortable today, you guys. And that's a full look. Pajamas, but make it chic. The trench. I wish these were pajamas, you guys. These are very expensive pants. happy Sunday in New York. It's such a beautiful day outside and I have some responsibilities, and then we're gonna bop around and have a fun Sunday in the city. Do I have set plans yet? No, but I know that my friends are out. Right now I have to do an audition, so I'm going to a coaching and taping of that. I really want a sandwich from Milano Market, or maybe we're gonna go to I Love Us. I also need to go to Ulta Beauty because I've never tried any Cecred products and I really want to. Also vlogging on my phone because I can't find my SD card today, but we move regardless. Okay, let's go.